before I get started, okay? Is the movie on?
Yes.
Okay, this is a hiccup solution that my aunt taught me when I was in 5th grade. Okay, how long have I had the hiccups right now, Jet?
Like 15 minutes.
Okay, so keep it on, okay? Keep the video
Dad,
on.
your phone's cracked a little.
I know, keep the video on, okay? Here's the secret. After the next hiccup, I'm gonna start. I gotta have a drink, I gotta gargle, I gotta rub my earlobes. Are you ready? After the next hiccup, here we go.
Yep.
It'll be coming on any time now. Of course, I can't control when the hiccup starts. Now watch, I'll stop hiccuping just by talking about it. Okay, here we go.
Dad, you're spitting water out of your mouth. Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay.
And now, just keep the video going.
You've been here for 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Okay, now.
29, 30.
Have I hiccuped since I did the trick?
You just did it.
I know, but have you heard me hiccup?
No.
Are you keeping that movie on me?
Yeah, because you just did it.
So that's the solution that Aunt Birdie gave me. It has never failed me once. One time I had the hiccup for over 2 hours. It was after a long bike race, 100-mile bike race. I couldn't get rid of the hiccups. I was driving through the mountains. And then I finally had to stop and do what I just did. And guess what?
What?
Hiccups were gone. Everybody in the car with me was going crazy because I could not stop hiccuping.
What was he doing?
They were mad at me. Would you stop hiccuping? So have I hiccuped?
Nope.
Would you conclude? Shut the movie off. Would you conclude that solved it?
Yep.
Okay, shut the movie off.